Welcome to the Wonder Garden channel, a place where we share extremely useful plant care tips to help your plants stay green and thrive healthily. Do you have Zamioculcas plants like this in your home? If your plant is weak, growing slowly, has yellow leaves, is no longer glossy green, or isn't producing new shoots, don't worry. Watch this entire video, and I will guide you through a simple way to help your plant recover and grow strong again using easy-to-find ingredients. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any useful plant care tips. First, you can see that my Zamioculcas plant here is experiencing yellowing leaves and has lost its vitality. This is quite common when the plant is placed under direct sunlight for a long time, while Zamioculcas is a shade-loving plant that is suitable for indoor growing. When exposed to harsh sunlight, the plant gets heat shock, its leaves gradually turn yellow, and its growth slows down. To fix this, move the plant indoors and place it in a cool, well-ventilated area with gentle light, avoiding direct sunlight. Then, take care of the plant following the method I'm about to show you. To help the plant recover and grow quickly, I will use oats, a very common ingredient found in most households. I will use 1 spoon of oats to make a natural fertilizer for the plant. Oats contain many minerals such as potassium, phosphorus, and a small amount of nitrogen, which help improve the soil, stimulate root development, and support faster recovery. At the same time, these nutrients help the leaves turn green again and encourage the plant to grow strong new shoots. Next, I will add about 500 milliliters of warm water to help release the nutrients in the oats more quickly and effectively. Then, I will stir the mixture well, cover it, and let it sit until the water cools completely. This process helps the nutrients dissolve into the water, creating a solution that is easier for the plant to absorb. Once the water has cooled, I will strain out the residue and keep only the liquid extract for use. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. To ensure safety for the plant and avoid shock, I will dilute this solution with about 1 liter of clean water. Dilution helps reduce the concentration so the plant can absorb nutrients gently and more effectively. After preparing the solution, I will guide you through a few ways to care for your Zamioculcas plants. Method 1. Carefully check your Zamioculcas plant for pests. They often cling to the stems, and there may also be mealybugs hiding under the leaves or in leaf joints. Therefore, you should thoroughly inspect the entire plant, especially hidden areas such as leaf axils and the base of the stem, to detect any signs of pests early. If not treated promptly, the plant will gradually weaken, leaves will turn yellow, and in severe cases, it may die very quickly. Pour the solution into a small cup. Then use a soft cotton pad to soak up the solution and gently wipe the entire surface of the leaves. When wiping, clean both sides of the leaves, especially the underside, where dust easily accumulates, helping the plant absorb nutrients better. This not only cleans the leaves, but also provides natural nutrients, making the leaves greener, shinier, and helping the plant recover faster. Since this is a foliage plant, keeping the leaves clean not only improves plant health, but also significantly enhances its appearance. Clean leaves become glossy, fresh, and more attractive, making the pot look elegant and full of life. At the same time, removing dust helps the leaves photosynthesize better, supporting healthy growth and maintaining long-lasting beauty. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Method 2. Pour this solution into a spray bottle, then lightly and evenly mist the entire plant. When spraying, let the solution form a fine mist so it spreads evenly over the leaf surfaces and stems, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients gradually and more effectively. This method not only cleans the leaves, but also provides light nutrition, helping the plant recover quickly with greener and shinier leaves. You should spray in the early morning or late afternoon, avoiding strong sunlight for best results. In addition to Zamioculcas, you can also use this solution to mist many other plants in your garden, such as peace lily and anthurium. The nutrients from oats help supply essential micronutrients, improve plant resistance, make leaves greener, thicker, and shinier. In addition, the solution helps stimulate root growth and supports faster recovery, especially for weak or slow-growing plants. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Method 3. Since Zamioculcas is a drought-tolerant plant that stores water in its stems and roots, we need to avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. You can pour the solution into a watering can and water a moderate amount at the base of the plant, just enough to moisten the soil. Do not water too much or too frequently. Only water when the soil is dry. Prioritize using this solution for Zamioculcas plants that are growing slowly, stagnating, or not producing new shoots. You may not know this, but Zamioculcas can also bloom, although it is quite rare indoors. However, with proper care and sufficient nutrients, it is absolutely possible. You should use this solution about once every 30 days to supplement nutrients. This method helps stimulate growth, supports stable development, and encourages the plant to produce new leaves regularly and more healthily over time. For the remaining solution, I will use it to water other plants in the garden to avoid waste. Even though it is leftover, it still contains many nutrients dissolved from the oats, which are very beneficial for plant growth. When using it, apply a moderate amount at the base of the plant. Do not overwater to avoid waterlogging, especially for potted plants. Reusing this solution not only saves resources, but also provides additional natural nutrients. helping garden plants grow evenly with greener and healthier leaves over time. Results. After proper care, my Zamioculcas pot has started to produce many new shoots, proving that the plant has recovered and its growth process has been reactivated. The new leaves are lush green, glossy, and noticeably healthier. Seeing such vibrant, shiny leaves, you can clearly feel that your care efforts are truly worthwhile. Not only my Zamioculcas, but also my anthurium and peace lily pots have become greener, with healthier glossy leaves and gradually blooming bright, vibrant flowers. This is not only a sign that the plants are thriving, but it also brings a sense of relaxation and joy as you witness their positive changes every day, making your living space feel fresher and more full of energy. What do you think about this care method? If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. Turn on the notification bell so you won't miss useful plant care tips in upcoming videos.